Today we are going to learn common factors and common multiples. Okay, in the previous period we have to learn what is mean by factors and what is mean by multiples. So what is mean by common factors? First we have to take example. 12 and 18. Okay, firstly we have to write the factors of 12. The factors of 12 is 1, means factors means in which table to take the 12. Okay, in which table have the number of 12. The first factor is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5 is not the factors of 12, then 6, then 12. Okay, these are the factors of 12. Then next number is 18. Okay, the factors of 18 is 1, 2, 3, not a 4, 5 also, 6 also, 5 is not a factors of 18. Then 9. Okay, these are the factors of 18. So what is mean the common factors? In the 12 factors and these are the 18 factors. The common number we have to circle it. 1 also same, 2 also same. Okay, then 3 also, and then 6 also same number. So common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the common factors. Okay, then see the common multiples. So we have to take another example, 8 and 5. What is mean by multiples? Multiples is the multiple means multiplying. The table of 8. Okay, we have to write the multiples of 8. Multiples means table of 8. Firstly we have to write the table of 8. Okay, then table of 5. The multiples of 5 means table of 5. See here, the multiples are unlimited, but the factors are limited. Okay, you have to write multiples. Okay, then see the common number. The common number is in the table of 8. You have to see here, and the table of 5. 8 is not same, then same number is 40. Okay, in the table of 8 40 also have, and the table of 5 40 also have. So the common multiples is 40. Okay, then next number is 80. Okay, because common multiple means the multiplying. Okay, 40 1 जा 40, 42 जा 18, 80. Okay, then 43 जा 120. These are the common multiples. These are the difference of common factors and common multiples. Common factor are limited, but common multiples are unlimited. Okay, thank you.